What's good, my pyros? I got you a nice late 1970s, maybe 1977, 1978-ish Link TRIAD snow flurry firework. We better get this right on the first shot because it is a one of a kind. I only have one of these. Never did one before. Came in a pretty rare DOT assortment. Never seen one at any shows anywhere. So I've been curious for about 20 some years as to what it does. And we're gonna see what it does here today. Got a paper fuse and we're just about to get her going here. Let's do this. Don't fail me now, paper fuse. Come on. Come on. We're gonna get her going, guys. We are gonna get her cracking one way or another. Let's see in here. If I got a lighter from a different way, I will. Let's do her upside down. Hold on, guys. We will figure her out here. Oh! Have to get her lit from the inside. Nice. Okay, well, we got an idea of what it does. Let's see if I get some more of it lit that didn't go off. Hold on, guys. Oh! Risk life and limb for you guys. I think there's still a couple more pieces that didn't go here. I think we got her all. Yeah, we got her all. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed what worked out of there. So it was like a half fail maybe, but cool. I guess it would have been cool if it worked the way it was supposed to, but still. Anything left here? No, still pretty cool. Like, comment, subscribe.